I think it was the recently passed Defense Authorization Act that gave the President the authority to basically pick up a citizen anywhere or a foreign national anywhere and label them a terrorist. And it seems like we're getting further and further away from the rule of law with regard to our rights. If the President can just say, this person's done, send the check to this organization, therefore they're a terrorist, or we can just pick them up and lock them away. It's a real violation of our civil liberties. How do you feel about this and other violations that seem to be occurring?
Yeah, thank you. So this, in the Defense Authorization Bill, there was a lot of debate over the Fifth and Sixth Amendment. Now, the Fifth and Sixth Amendment are due process amendments. They're the ones that protect us as citizens from the overreach of government. They ensure a trial by a public trial, trial by your peers, the ability to confront those that bear evidence against you, a speedy trial. All these are part of that structure. And essentially what this clause in the Defense Authorization Bill said is if the executive branch asserts that you are an enemy combatant, if they label you as a terrorist, you don't get your Fifth and Sixth Amendments. So it's a complete, it takes the Fifth and Sixth Amendment and just, it tears them up. Tears them up. It is exactly what those amendments were designed to protect against. So we had an intense debate about this. I voted against the entire bill because of this attack on our constitutional rights. Oregon was the only state where both senators voted against the bill as a whole for this reason. And so I think we have to keep having the conversation. We need to make sure that we have strong national security. That is at the heart of this. It is about being able to confront those and be able to force the state to show evidence why they should detain you. Under this bill, not only can they detain you, they can put you in a secret foreign prison, and they don't have to tell anyone what they've done to you. You can be swept up, and that's an enormously huge power to hand to any executive branch. It doesn't matter who's president, now or in the future. And so I'm hoping that can be, I hope it will be adjudicated, and the Supreme Court will throw it out. The Supreme Court has thrown out 2 earlier efforts to do the same thing, and I hope they'll throw this one out as well.